Ethan, who's my little dinosaur?
There we go.
Can you look at Mama?
Now you officially hate me.
And we have Daisy the dinosaur also.
Okay, folks, get your pictures and I out of here. So if I don't feel so silly.
Why do you have another camera in front of us?
I'm taking a video. Scream for me, little dinosaur. Can you take some of Daisy for me, please? Hey, little man. Is a little dinosaur playing with a little stick?
Daisy.
Do dinosaurs eat sticks?
Daisy, look at him.
One does.
Sweetie.
Hey, Godzilla.
Ethan.
Ethan.
It looks like he's afraid to move.
I'm so sad.